Hello, everyone. Welcome to another QGI Sprint retrospective video. Today, we have a special announcement that we have in the communication team, we have a new team member that is Hefni. She's coming from Indonesia. So Hefni, if you can introduce yourself a little bit more.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Hefni. I'm from Indonesia, and I just joined this community as junior document writer a few months ago. And I'm ready to contribute to this open source. And I hope my contribution will be meaningful and give impact to people from all over the world. Yeah, nice to meet you all.
Thank you, Hefni. And now we can start with our retrospective.
So, hello everyone. For the QGIS website part, the PR regarding the QGIS, the website translation is now um, under the review, and we've deployed it under the staging website for now. As you can see, it's under staging.qgs.org, and then you choose the language. Here, for instance, it's the German version. There are still some parts that are not translated yet, but you can see that there are some parts that are in German. Is here, if I switch to French, as you can see, there are this sidebar. Some of them are in French, and also here. I wanted to mention that this PR is mainly this feature is mainly developed by Counter, and the PR is currently under the review. Yeah, apart from that, the contributors page is now deployed under the community and the contributors page. From there, you can see free tabs for organization, contributing organization, for individual contributors and supporting contributors. There are just two tabs that can be filled. So if you want to list your organization as a contributor organization, here there is this note about how to do it, and also for supporting organization, there is this form that you can fill as a supporting contributor, and will be reviewed on a monthly basis. And this page is documented under the QGIS repo, under the contributors page file. And from here, you can see how the data are organized and are aggregated from the GitHub commits, and also from the JSON data. So that's it from the website parts, and thank you.
Hi everyone. So in this video, I would like to share what I've worked on in this past 2 weeks. So let me share my screen. Okay, so I've been working on geometry checker into processing. So it consists of 2 sections, the check geometry and the fixed geometry. And there are 31 algorithms in total, and I have documented all of them, but some of them are still in review. So in this sprint, I finalized the rest algorithms, which are covered in 9 PRs. 3 PRs have been merged, and 6 PRs are under the review. Let me show you some of them. I was working on points outside polygons. The idea is that if you have points that are not fully inside polygons, In this situation, they can be intersecting the ring or completely outside. They will be detected as errors. And I found an interesting situation here where I have a polygon with holes, and then I put another polygon inside, and then when I run the algorithm, this point indicated by the arrow is considered as error, while actually it lies inside the polygons. That's why I raised this issue. Then we thought that the issue might be stemming from the leaf spatial index or something like that. But then when I run it again with newest master version, and the issue still continue, it's also confirmed by him, the developer. So I think they are still addressing this issue. However, the PR could still be merged. But Hariso suggests me to remove manually the red point here. So this is the final version of the visual examples. And then I also work on the generate polygons. The idea here is the polygon that has less than 3 vertices is degenerated. So this algorithm will detect which polygon is invalid. Let me show you on my QGIS. Here I have the example of the polygons that is degenerated. They have less than 3 vertices, so that's why it looks like line, but in reality it's a polygon. So let's see if we run the algorithm. We input the layer, and then one thing that I always configure before running the algorithm is this one, the advanced option. I always disable the filtering so that the algorithm will not inspect any invalid geometry, which we don't need that. By doing so, it will run smoothly. Select the ID, and then it's optional, but I prefer to create a temporary layer. So by doing so, it will run smoothly. If you run the algorithm, it will look like this. I open the attribute table, and you see there are columns here. We have GC layer ID, which is the ID of the input layer, and then GC layer name. It's the name of the input layer. We also have part index, ring index, vertex index, and so forth. You can find further information in our documentation. Let me show you. So it's now available in the testing version. This is our documentation for check geometry and fixed geometry. For example, if you go to the generate polygons, we have everything here. We have the description of the algorithm, and then the parameter that consists of two. One is basic parameters, and then the advanced parameters, and they are coming with details like the label, name, type, the description, and then the outputs as well. We also explain the column further here. The GC layer ID, everything's here. You can check it, and so far these are the check geometry that I have documented. And this is the fixed geometry that I have documented, and it's all around 31 algorithms in total. Some of them haven't been merged. I think, yeah, that's pretty much from my end. Thank you.
Hello again. For this print, I want to show you two things that I was working on in the latest QGIS version. So currently, if you are using algorithms, clip raster by mask or clip raster by extent, you can choose the VMS layer. And if you choose the VMS layer, you can go on advanced options and set up the reference scale or service resolution. So this is currently only available for these two algorithms. And information about that you can find. You can find under the toolbox in the processing chapter. Another thing is new algorithm called approximate medial axis. The important thing for this algorithm is that you have to need a special library for this one. So you cannot use it with this SFCGL support. It is disabled by default, and you need to incorporate it in your own build. Another thing that I want to mention is from this print, the rules of Z assignment are finally merged, so you can find it in the documentation. Also, some updates on the code editor are also merged, so you can find it also. And the last thing that I'm still working on are the relations in QGIS. So there is a lot of differences between current description in the documentation and current behavior in QGIS. So I'm trying to track all those behaviors and document them properly. So that's from my side. Thank you.